Roy. I'm from Ecuador. I want to show you how to make like a cat. Very easy. First can use the fingers. You have to be pressed and put your feet on here and make like a cat. Meow, meow. It's very easy. I want to repeat again. Steady press, finger, meow, meow. So it's very easy. You can try like many times. So I'll probably show you the sound of the other animals. So if you like my video, you can give me something special. Okay, take care so much.